After more than a week of searching, we now know the name of the construction worker who fell from the I-95 bridge into the Ogeechee River.
Search crews will continue combing the water and shoreline until dark, still hoping to bring the man's family closure. WSAV's Sarah Smith is live at the scene with the latest on the search efforts and new details just released by investigators.
Divers out again today, this time joined by a cadaver dog. They're hoping to find the body of 55-year-old Jose Hernandez Garcia. Now, while we don't have an update, we did learn new details about the moments before and after Garcia fell into the water. The incident report from the Bryan County Sheriff's Office provides new gruesome details from 55-year-old Jose Hernandez Garcia's coworkers. He was painting the Interstate 95 bridge when he fell in the Ogeechee River. His coworkers telling dispatchers Garcia was struggling and bobbing in and out of the water, drifting to the southeast. That construction crew throwing out a line for him to catch, but they say he wasn't able to reach it. That's when they called 911. A cadaver dog on scene for the first time since the incident, searching up and down the river Monday. The sheriff's office believing they may have another lead.
Especially trained in finding human remains. So we've got him, we loaded him on the boat just a little while ago. They took him out and he's already alerted. Divers
checking out that spot. Garcia's family waiting by the river for answers, watching as crews search for their loved one. Everyone involved in the recovery effort hopeful to give them answers soon.
It's just, it's been a little grueling.
According to the sheriff's office, divers will be out until dark tonight, and they say if they don't find anything tonight, they'll continue to bring this cadaver dog out as well as bringing in another one later this week. We'll have updates on air and online as we learn more. For now, reporting live in Bryan County, Sarah Smith, WSAV News 3 on your side.